Hi, today you'll listen to a fun conversation between John and Mark as they practice numbers and counting. Pay close attention because after the dialogue, I'll ask you 10 questions to test your understanding. Ready? Let's get started.
Hi, Mark. How are you?
Hi, John. I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm great. Ready to practice some numbers?
Yes, let's do it. How old are you, John?
I'm 22 years old. What about you?
I'm 30. How many brothers do you have?
I have two brothers. And you?
I have one sister. How many pets do you have?
I have one dog. Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have 3 cats.
That's a lot. How many books do you have at home?
I have about 10 books. And you?
I think I have around 20 books.
Wow, that's great. Let's count to 10 together.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Perfect. Now let's try counting by tens.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Well done. I think we are getting better at this.
Definitely. See you next time, John.
See you, Mark. Take care.
How is John feeling? How old is John? How many brothers does John have? How many sisters does Mark have? What pet does John have? How many cats does Mark have? How many books does Mark have at home? How many books does John have at home? What did John and Mark count to first? What do they count by after counting to 10?